Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you are doing well. Today's discussion about computer science operating system MCQs. First, the following windows do not have start button: A. Windows Vista, B. Windows 7, C. Windows 8, D. None of above. So the right answer is C. Windows 8. The following is an example of a real-time operating system: A. Linux, B. MS-DOS, C. Windows XP, D. Process control. So the right answer is D. Process control. If there are multiple recycle bin for a hard disk: A. You can set different size for each recycle bin. B. You can choose which recycle bin to use to store your deleted file. C. You can make any one of them default recycle bin. D. None of above. So the right answer is A. You can set different size for each recycle bin. Microsoft Windows is A. Operating system. B. Graphic program. C. Word processing. D. Database program. So the right answer is A. Operating system. Of the following operating system does not implement the multitasking truly: A. Windows 98, B. Windows NT, C. Windows XP, D. MS-DOS. So the right answer is D. MS-DOS. What program runs first after computer is booted and loading GUI? A. Desktop Manager, B. File Manager, C. Windows Explorer, D. Authentication. So the right answer is D. Authentication. My computer was introduced from: A. Windows 3.1, B. Windows 3.11, C. Windows 95, D. Windows 98. So the right answer is C. Windows 95. Which is the latest version of MS Windows? A. Windows 2007, B. Windows 7, C. Windows 11, D. Windows 10. So the right answer is C. Windows 11. Which operating system does not support networking between computers? A. Windows 3.1, B. Windows 95, C. Windows 2000, D. Windows NT. So the right answer is A. Windows 3.1. You should choose sleep option when: A. The computer is tired after working for the whole day. B. You are leaving for a very short time and want to resume your work shortly. C. When computer gets hanged frequently, let it sleep for some time. D. You finish working and going to bed. So the right answer is B. You are leaving for a very short time and want to resume your work shortly. Which one is not a system tool? A. Backup, B. Disk fragment, C. Virus scanning, D. All of the above. So the right answer is C. Virus scanning. Linux is a N dash operating system: A. Open source, B. Microsoft, C. Windows, D. MSC. So the right answer is A. Open source. Operating system creates dash from the physical computer: A. Virtual space, B. Virtual computer, C. Virtual device, D. None. So the right answer is B. Virtual computers. Which one is not operating system? A. P11, B. OS Do, C. Windows, D. Unix. So the right answer is A. P11. Which of the following are loaded in safe mode? A. Keyboard driver, mouse, B. Mouse driver, C. VGA drive, D. All of above. So the right answer is D. All of above. 16. A dash is a named location on a disk where files are stored. A. Folder, B. Port, C. Version, D. None of the above. So the right answer is A. Folder. 17. Which type of command requires additional file to perform specific operations? A. Internal commands, B. External commands, C. Valuable commands, D. Primary commands. So the right answer is B, external commands. A user interface that is easy to use is considered to be A, user happy, B, user simple, C, user friendly, D, none of the above. So the right answer is C, user friendly. A dash is a flash memory storage device that plug in into a USB port. A, USB snap drive, B, USB flash drive, C, USB memory maker drive, D, none of above. So the right answer is B, USB flash drive. The dash is the drive containing the file to be copied. A, source drive, B, destination drive, C, USB drive, D, none of the above. So the right answer is A, source drive. The most recent version of MAC OS is based on the operating system A, Windows, B, Linux, C, Unix, D, Windows XP. So the right answer is C, Unix. In Windows, Start button is used to A, run applications, B, device settings, C, turn off the system, D, all of the above. So the right answer is D, all of the above. Which one is true for unconditional disk formatting? A, destroys every byte of data on a disk by overwriting it with the blank spaces. B, do not check scan surface after format. C, transfer system file after format. D, all of the above. So the right answer is A, destroys every byte of data on a disk by overwriting it with blank spaces. Once text has been cut to the clipboard, you can dash that text into another document. A, paste, B, copy, C, transfer, D, none of the above. So the right answer is A, paste. What is the function of radio button? A, to select multiple option, B, to select single option, C, to select all option, D, all of above. So the right answer is B, to select सिंगल ऑप्शन. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आए तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. द बेस्ट इज़ येट टू कम.